soul to steal. He was in a bind cause he was way behind, and he was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man, sawing on a fiddle and playing it hot, and the devil jumped on a hickory stump and said,
Boy, let me tell you what. I guess you didn't know it. But I'm fiddle player too, and if you care to take a bet, I'll just make a bet with you. Now, you play a pretty good fiddle, boy, but you give the devil his due. I'll bet a fiddle of gold against your soul, cause I think I'm better than you.
the boy said,
My name's Johnny, and it might be a thief, but I'll take your bet you're gonna regret it, because I'm the best there's ever been.
Johnny, you're roasting up your bow and playing with your fiddle hard, cause he broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals with the cards. And if you win, you get a shiny fiddle made of gold, but if you lose, the devil gets your soul.
The devil opened up his case, and he said,
I'll start the show.
and the fire flew from his fingertips, and he rosined up his bow. And then he pulled the bow across the strings and made it an evil hiss, and a band of demons joined in, and it sounded something like this. When the devil finished, Johnny said,
Well, you're pretty good, old son, but just sit down in that chair right there. Let me show you how it's done. Far on the mountain, run, boys, run. The devil's in the house of the rising sun. Chicken in the bread pan, picking at dough. Granny does your dog bite, no child, no.
The devil bowed his head because he knew that he'd been bit, and he laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. Johnny said,
Devil, just come back, just come on back. If you ever want to try again, I done told you once, you son of a bitch. I'm the best there's ever been.
He played Fire on the Mountain, Run Boys Run. The devil's in the house of the rising sun, chicken in the bread pan picking at dough. Granny, does your dog bite? No child, no.